Beyond tapping screens, real digital skills kids can learn for free. Hi PlannedPathers, have you ever observed how quickly our kids figure out new apps? It's almost magical. They swipe, tap, scroll like they were born doing it. Fantastic, right? But here's the thing. Being a digital native is much more than just knowing how to play games or open YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 real digital skills you can teach your kid. The best part is that they are for free and can be learned right from the comfort of your home. Remember to activate all necessary parental controls as you do this. Number 1, Gmail. Teach your child how to use Gmail so they can write a proper mail to their teacher, friend, or to themselves, attach a school project, save important pictures and documents in Google Drive, organize mails into folders labeled by subject or tags. These are small but powerful life skills, even for 7 to 9-year-olds. The beautiful part is that it grows with them. Number 2, Canva. Canva is so underrated. It is a game changer. You can use it to make posters for school, design slides for presentations, create birthday cards or flyers for family and school events. Canva builds creativity, visual literacy, and tech confidence. Plus, it is absolutely fun. Are you enjoying this video? Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Number 3, Google Docs. Yes, teach your child how to use Google Docs so that they can type neatly and format documents, use bullet points and headings, share assignments with a teacher or classmates, use voice typing if writing is tough. Google Docs help them to prepare for essays, type homework, and collaborate. And these are skills that they will use forever. The goal is not to make your child a tech wizard overnight, but to give them confidence in real-world digital tools that make them better students and future-ready individuals. And you get to bond with them and they can see the professional side of mommy, daddy, auntie, and uncle. Which of these do your children already know and which would you be teaching them right away? Please put your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel so that you can get to see more videos like this. And this was too good to enjoy alone. Share with everybody that you know and stay connected to PlannedPath. Thank you for watching.